Kakanhon kikan thay le kai football jong ko Umthli Secondary School. Kabana yekon haka Subruto Cup International Football Tournament 2016 haka under 17. Kabadang ya mentah hanong ba Delhi hanen kasngi ka arpundre trek unai lor kalami nakni kanong ba Shillong. Hashwa banmi nakni kanong ba hanen kasngi nakalyang katnat ile ka jong ko sakar jela. Kala pelong da kejelang ban kitbok kitruang yakani kakanhon. Kap khanang bakana banila kai ba bat poi sakathong. Hagani kejelang laidan langru Deputy Director jong katnat JR Marang, Assistant Director ba Clive L Dunai, Special Officer on Duty AN Sharma, District Sports Officer ke East Castles District ba GE Lingdo, ki coach ba kantop ba Bobby L Nongbat ba ikong yai kantio nong kanri ki khna ile ka ba ki kimi ki pa jong ki. Kani ke kanhon hapo ke jelam jong ka coach ka samna yai kantio nong kanri ka banya khon haka group G. Haka shtarek ubnai risau banwan kan sai khon ningkong bat ka kanhon na Afghanistan. Hadin gani pan persha bar ka kanhon jong ka Indian Public School Conference haka arterek. Kat ba ka je khon persha ba ka kanhon na ka jela Tripura pat kan long haka lai terek.
I hope that all of you will keep the discipline. Don't even during the play, after the play, and even the journey. As long as you respect the coaches, please. They itself, whatever they tell you to do, please do it so. I know Delhi is summertime. You will face a lot of problems there, the heat. But I expect that we have practiced well. Then what we wanted from our side is that we will bring laurel not only to your school, not only to your parents, but to the state as a whole.
Kumjo hakasing babor kata hanne kasngi ka arpunyo tarik unai lor. Ka Chiles Higher Secondary School ru kala pelong ke jelang ban ai ke jingkit bok ruang ye kirang ile kai under 17 ki banet yeshimenta ka Subruto Cup International Football Tournament 2016 ke badang ya menta kanong ba Delhi. Hakani kasngi lai don lang ru District Sports Officer ka East Castles District ba GE Lingdo kumjo principal jong ka School of Father Sebastian Palati SDB kinoy kai lamba ki khna school. Kani kalong kasien ga baar ya kani ka school ban yeshimenta haka Subruto Cup hanong ba Delhi. Hakas nembalala kani ka skor kelas 6 ka under 14 handai ke bala syarem no ka semi final haka kanhon ka bana Indonesia lengba ka jing shot tiebreaker habakaran haka jelang na kalyang DSO la ka jingket bok ya kani kanhon bakin ya khon tik na ka banta parwan phai yang rangkat ka nam jom bat ka trophy lo ang ru bana kalyang ka office klai le ka bala ban pen biang ya baro ka jing dong kam ban pen khre ya kani kanhon bat menta ka shong sa ki khna bakin trestom bat banyele bha khnang bakin na ban poi sha ka thong ka Chiles Higher Secondary School kadon haka Group A kanya khon ningkong persha ya ka Chandigarh haka South Trek Urisau persha ba ka Uttarakhand haka Santrek bat ka Indian Public School Conference haka Trek bat ka Lakshadweep haka New Trek bat haka Pratrek kanya khon khaddo bat ka Maharashtra.
So from the department, whatever we can help you, we have provided you with the coaching, the dress materials, everything. Whatever we can help financially, we have helped you. So it is your time now to show us and you bring glory not to the school, but to the state as a whole. I know it is a very tough to participate this Subruto because you have to fight among the international clubs, the school from internationals. But I do hope your spirit, your prayers will help you through this tournament. What I want to say is thus, to wish you for getting a healthy mind, a healthy body, a safe journey, and to bring what we expect from the school, from the state, the glory of this International Super Cup 2016.